Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making my creamy chicken pasta again. It has actually been over a year since I posted it up on my channel and I thought it was about time I made it again. To be honest, I don't make this pasta enough at home. I probably make it every 2 to 3 months because I've been working on a lot of other type of pasta dishes. But when I do make it, I'm always trying to change it up a little bit, add some new things, some new seasonings, and this is literally how I make it today. So I actually went really light on the seasonings this time. I remember in my previous video I added in quite a bit of paprika. So this time I didn't end up using any. I simply just used some cajun, garlic and herb seasoning, chili flakes, salt, some fresh minced garlic and also some oil. And I also remember asking on my community section, which is on my channel, if you guys make your own spices. And 49 of you said you do, and then 47 said you don't. And then 4% of you said that you would rather just buy a shop bought seasoning. And then the fact that 49% said that you make your own seasonings, it actually made me think I need to actually start making my own. I've literally been making potatoes for literally the past week. My mum bought a whole kg of them and I was trying to make roasted potatoes, and I'm using Cajun seasoning, but it's just so salty and I'm not too sure where to start when it comes to making my own. But if you do personally make your own and it's really nice, then definitely get in touch with me and let me know how you make it, and I'd love to recreate it. But yeah, moving on back to the video. The chicken, I literally cook it for 5 minutes on a high heat so it gets a really nice sear, and then I continue to cook it with a lid on a lower heat for around 5 to 6 minutes. At this part of the dish, I was thinking to kind of change the onions and the peppers, but these two are the only best 2 ingredients that work with the dish. Once the peppers and onions have been cooking for a little bit, I then also added in a tin of tomatoes, and then I added in a whole tub of fresh double cream. The cream is really what brings everything together in the dish. Also, if you don't want to add in a tomato tin, you can also use tomato paste, or you don't need to add it in at all, but it does help the colour of the dish change. So if you basically don't add in a tomato tin or tomato paste, then the sauce will be white and not this colour. A big crucial part is to taste your sauce as soon as you've added it in and you've allowed it to simmer for a couple of minutes on a low heat. I ended up adding in some garlic and herb seasoning, chili flakes and also some Cajun as well. And then for the final part of the dish is to add in your cooked pasta. I wanted to do something a little different, so this is a pasta which I chose. But just to be real with you, the best pasta to use for a creamy dish would have to be penne pasta, 100%. I simply finished off the pasta with some cheese. I also added in the chicken, and I actually cut it in smaller pieces because the pieces were way too big at the start. I also then garnished with some dried parsley, and this is actually how I make my creamy chicken pasta a year later. I don't ever think I'll have one final recipe for this because I'm always changing it, but the original is the best, of course. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and also let me know what other dishes you'd want me to make.